Very blustery, isn't it? This is T-Bob Boat Rack 1. Pete's here. So for T-Bob Boat Rack 1, we've got WARBIRD CRASH, we've got Essential RC, we've got Mug. Share us your photographs and your experiences of this wonderful club. That sounds lovely, doesn't it?
Sounds lovely now I've turned the microphone on. Sorry about that. So windy, it's blowing like 20 miles an hour.
So the distinctive sound of the centre is very similar to
the standard mic on this UX180 Panasonic camera. It just sounds awful with any wind.
You've got now the P-47 from Stingray models.
It's a shame when you've got a P-47 ripping around with a nice radial.
The Thunderbolt. This is a 3-cylinder 90cc radial engine. We use jetty radio, sound caller, coming in hot on the left hand side.
I'm going to have to get a radial at some time. Never had one. Had jets, it's certainly something to aspire to. They just sound epic.
That's why we come around following the civil aviation put in place for the pilot activity to provide safety as well. And so we've got a CAA number and LMA numbers, which these models are at a certain weight. There's lots of paperwork to be handed in before any of these guys are allowed to fly, but they're all seasoned show pilots who have the appropriate and necessary qualifications. So this is St. Caller, this is the wonderful P-47, this is the Thunderbolt, and he's going to do a slow and dirty cross. Riding a roller coaster to get big and kind of cut in the air and keep your nerve. The airplane will come down safely. Oh, Sam, the tree! Silly sausage Pete, have you got that? We both said, watch the tree, then crash. What? From hero to... Well, that came down very gracefully, didn't it? Well, that's the first victim of the oak tree. That's what happens when you're flying in close proximity to clouds. Again, we have an ever-ending supply of cyno if required. I heard about a helicopter in the tree last night. There was a jet as well that went into the tree apparently as well. Oh dear. Well, this is what it's all about, you know. Nobody, everyone comes to an air show just like you go to a racetrack. Nobody wants to see it crash, but nobody wants to miss one either. Stay away from my tree! We should get a Steve plaque on that tree, shouldn't we? Yeah, we should. So watch the tree, watch the... Just clip the wingtip. It doesn't actually, he came across quite lucky there, I think, actually. I don't think he's come out too bad.
I won't walk in front of the speaker with the radio mic, but
Did you know? The airplane will come down safely. Oh, Sam, the tree! Silly sausage Peter, we got that. We all both said, watch the tree, then crash.